Hello all, welcome to the channel. Um, we are going to see that how to set up a Angel One account in the Trade with Bridge plugin. So you may be clicking on that Open Angel One that will take you to this page. So this video is about what value you have to fill in all these four boxes to connect it. So let's get started. You know that angel username might be starts with K or something like that. That's what your username you have to enter it. This is not a password. This is actually a MPIN number, which you generally log into the Angel One trading account with the PIN. So that is the PIN what we have to enter it. And next step is how to get the TOTP code as well as the API key. So you have to log into the smartapi.angel1.com. Enter your username and password, submit. That will take you to a page, something similar to that, My Smart APIs and Apps, which means you logged in. And then click on this Enable TOTP, which is highlighted in red. That will show you a login screen. Again, you use your username and MPIN to log into the application. Once you log in, you'll get a OTP because TOTP is important, so that's why they are sending a OTP. You enter it, then you'll have a QR code scanner. Under that, you'll have something called on scan, copy the key. Click on that, copy the key, and paste it in your notepad. This is required, and this is what we are going to enter in the TOTP secret. Then next we'll see how to create a API key. Click on this profile, create apps. You'll be taken to the screen something like this. You enter app name as Trade with Bridge and then give the redirect URL as www.tradewithbridge.com/auth and then click on create app button. You'll see a success screen. Then go to you'll be taken to this page and then on the trade with bridge API name go and copy the API key. This is pretty important for us to give us an input to the next screen. So you would have copied all the values and then provide the values in the respective text box and then connect it. Thank you. Any questions or anything related to connection, please ping me and then I'll happy to help you out. Thank you.